Okay, this is what I'm doing. I guess since the police department is totally closed and doesn't even want to operate, but want to get tickets, I have to address this to the Attorney General. And so here I am back in the same spot because I actually show a lot of respect. So I was kind of concerned going to the police department, so I'm glad I don't have to deal with them. I'm just hoping could slide it under the door, maybe. No? I don't know. What time is it? Okay. Oh. This mailbox. Oh no, I guess now they're not going to open up, which is weird. Currently closed. I don't know. Wish they weren't. Oh, everybody's out of office. I don't know. Where'd they go? This is crazy, people. I don't know what else to do. There's someone over there I know who sees me. Maybe that's the Attorney General. I wonder if this guy, maybe he's one of the attorneys. Robert? Are you Robert? No. Lean? Town attorney? Are you a town attorney? No? No, you're not him? I need the town attorney. Oh, they don't open for nobody. They don't even answer you. But they write tickets, but they're not open. Yeah, you can't even do nothing because they are the rulers of our society unless we stop it. Hello? Yeah, there's crazy nonsense going on here, man. All deliveries and mails. Please not, thank you. Deliveries and mails. Okay, so this is a delivery. Oh, man. Where'd she go? Oh. This guy won't even come out and take no paperwork. Delivery, mails, delivery. I don't know why everybody's so scared to learn some law. You scared? Don't be scared. Just, you want to come get it? Don't be scared. You know? I think that we should learn, you know? Yeah. The bond guarantees the performance of their oath. The bond does. Oh, how'd you get in? That's not fair. Oh my gosh. Do you know what that means? Wait, he just got in. So they are definitely being discriminatory now. This is discrimination at your finest. That is totally discrimination at your finest. Hello? It says it's closed?
We get the call box first.
I know, but they didn't. The call box first. Here you go. I just need to turn this in. Here you go. Thank you. Here we go. I turned it in. There you go. Hi. I was just trying to get that turned in. Thank you. Yay! Oh my gosh, that was cool. I slid right in there since they wanted to discriminate, I guess. Try to discriminate, but we got in there. Yeah. Okay. Yay! Yay! Isn't that nice? We did it, you guys. We're doing it. holding our elected officials responsible to their oath. Yeah, because we can hold them responsible to our oath. That is guaranteed. Guaranteed. Performance of provisions of constitutional remedies. This is how it goes, I guess. My first time, so maybe I'm not doing exactly, but learning. Whoa. You guys. Thanks for watching.